Hey guys, welcome to another studio vlog. Thank you for being here. For those that are new to my channel, I want to give you a warm welcome. First and foremost, I owe an apology for all my subscribers and viewers. Some of you may have noticed that I have been absent from this space for the past few months. Life, as you know, sometimes it throws you an unexpected curveball on your way. As you can see from the footage, I'm in a new studio place. I moved from the small cramped studio that I had before to this one, and finally I was able to bring all the stuff that I have in my storage room back here and set up like I used to have it before. I didn't film, unfortunately, the moving and the setup of the new place because I have so many orders that I needed to fulfill, and I didn't have the time to film at the time. Another reason why I didn't film was because I broke my toes during the move, and it was really painful. So I tried to stay out of from putting pressure on my foot for a while. So that's why I didn't have the time really to be like setting up cameras and moving over here and there when I tried to get some rest. And on top of that, I got COVID. After 2.5 years of not getting it, I got it. So I just needed to get some rest because I had a really high fever and I didn't want to do anything really for a while. But with this new studio vlog marks a fresh start. The studio lights are back on and the camera is rolling, and I'm ready to continue with this incredible journey with you. Expect more content, more passion, and more of what you love. I can't wait to see your comments below, so if you want to catch up or ask me any questions, just feel free to comment below and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for your patience and your unwavering support and for being part of this beautiful community. Now I'm gonna stop talking that much and I'm gonna just leave you with the video of me packing some of the orders and also creating some of the products that I'm gonna have on my shop update this coming Saturday, September 23rd. So if you see this video, you can go on Saturday and check all the new products and goodies that I have set up on my shop.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when
Thank you for spending this time with me today, guys. Your support as always means the world to me. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, comment or give us a thumbs up, and also check our shop update tomorrow, Saturday, September 23rd. Bye and see you next time.